Okay guys, so I got a little bit of food for her. I got some wet food, some milk, and a little bit of dry food. Just to, give her a little bit of variety. I'm sure you guys can hear she's going crazy. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah. Hey, where you going? Yeah. Oh my god, she's so cute. Well, I got her some beef and chicken flavored wet food. Hopefully she likes that. I can't imagine she won't. Let me get that fork out of there for you. Yeah, take some of that. Look at her go, guys. She's eating that wet food like no tomorrow. So I got some milk for her. This is not normal milk for any of those that are concerned. It is milk that's meant for kittens that are nursing and need nutrients and all that because they haven't gotten it from their mother. I can go ahead and show a picture of the bottle real quick. So here it is, the Milk Replacer Plus, meant for kittens up to 6 weeks. Not entirely sure how old she is, so I'm just kind of going with it, giving her a little bit of this, seeing if she likes it. And I mean, it's just more nutrients in my opinion. I'm sure it'll be fine for her. Definitely looks like she's doing a lot better now that she's got some food in her belly. Just cleaning herself off.